So as you guys can see, we have a lot of spiders and webs and God knows whatever else is in here, but I'm still gonna pick it up, and it's my new project car. Hey, Mr. Spider, you've lived long enough in this SL, and it's time to leave. I gotta make use of what I got, so just grab this guy. We're going to bring this classic back to life, the 300SL R129. As you guys can hear, it sounds pretty healthy. It just needs a whole tune-up since it's been sitting for I don't know how many years. So again, like I said, guys, stay tuned. This is the introduction video. I'm going to be having a lot of videos on the R129 300SL project, and I'll catch you guys soon with the next video. Thank you.